How to mine cryptocurrencies. Are you interested in mining cryptocurrencies but don't know where to start? You're in luck. This blog post will provide a beginner's guide to cryptocurrency mining. We'll discuss the basics of cryptocurrency mining, the steps to get started, and the different types of mining. With this guide, you'll be well on your way to starting your own cryptocurrency mining operation. What is mining? Mining is the process of verifying transactions on a digital ledger, known as a blockchain. A miner's job is to take these transactions and group them into blocks, and then add them to the blockchain. In return for their work, miners are rewarded with cryptocurrency. Mining can be done with either specialized hardware or with software, depending on the specific cryptocurrency. Mining requires powerful computers to solve complex mathematical equations. This process is known as proof of work payable. As miners complete these equations, they are rewarded with cryptocurrency tokens. This is how new cryptocurrency is released and circulated in the economy. It also helps secure the blockchain from malicious attacks. What do you need to start mining? If you're looking to get into mining, you'll need to have a few essential components in place. Firstly, you'll need the right hardware for the job. ASIC miners are specially designed for cryptocurrency mining and provide the most efficient mining process. However, these devices can be expensive, so if you're just starting out, you may want to consider a less expensive graphics card miner. In addition to your hardware, you'll need a reliable internet connection, as well as access to a mining pool. This is where miners come together to pool their computing power in order to increase the chances of finding a block and receiving rewards. You'll also need a secure wallet to store your mined coins in. What are the benefits of mining? Mining cryptocurrencies can be an incredibly lucrative endeavor. Not only do you get to earn rewards in the form of coins or tokens, but you also get the chance to be part of a global movement towards a more secure and decentralized financial system. By participating in the mining process, you are helping to secure the blockchain network, which can be immensely beneficial for everyone involved. The most obvious benefit of mining is that it provides a way for users to earn money. As mining rewards are distributed based on the amount of work done, miners who have powerful computers with more computing power will usually be able to earn more. Additionally, miners can set up multiple machines to increase their chances of success, as they will be competing against each other in order to process transactions faster and earn more rewards. What are the risks of mining? Cryptocurrency mining is a risky venture, and there are several potential risks to consider before investing. First, as with any kind of investing, there is the risk of market volatility. Prices for cryptocurrencies can fluctuate greatly, leading to losses if the market moves against your position. Second, the technology involved in mining cryptocurrencies is constantly evolving and becoming more difficult. So miners need to be prepared to stay ahead of the competition or face decreased profits or even losses. Additionally, miners need to be aware of the potential of malicious hackers and viruses attempting to steal their cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are not FDIC insured, so there is no government protection if something goes wrong. Furthermore, electricity costs can quickly add up, eating away at miners' profits. Finally, the cryptocurrency market is highly unregulated and miners should be careful. When it comes to choosing a reliable exchange or wallet to store their cryptocurrency, how do I get started mining? Mining cryptocurrencies can be a daunting task for those who are new to the space, but with the right guidance, it doesn't have to be. Here are some steps that you can take to get started mining. First, you will need to select a mining pool to join. A mining pool is a group of miners who work together to mine cryptocurrency in order to increase their chances of finding blocks and earning rewards. You can join an existing pool or create your own. Second, you will need to select the appropriate hardware for your mining needs. This will vary based on the type of cryptocurrency you are mining and the difficulty level. Some popular hardware for mining include ASICs, GPUs, FPGAs, and CPUs. Third, you will need to set up the software and configure your hardware to start mining. This will involve downloading and installing the appropriate mining software, setting up your wallet address, and configuring your hardware. Fourth, you will need to start mining. Depending on the type of cryptocurrency you are mining, you may need to join a mining pool or solo mine. Once you have chosen the pool or method, you can begin mining by connecting your hardware to the network and running the mining software. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for more amazing videos. Thanks for watching.